creamy, cheesy. This is so heavenly. Nanubabo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we are really excited to receive these products from MoChicks. So, if you notice guys, on our table we have some pasta dishes. We also have some chickens. And yung mga sumikat talaga dito sa Pampanga, itong mga baked sushi pans natin. Now, I want to introduce them to you specifically one by one. I want to start with their mga chicken natin. So they do have two variants. No? Meron tayong boneless and then the other one is the usual chicken wings. We have most original. We also have smoked honey barbecue. We have honey glazed Yum, sriracha bomb, and garlic parmesan flavors. Now I want to try this one. This is really spicy, guys. I gotta tell you. Hindi to nagbibiro. This is really hot. Wow, that was really good. So you got your crispy skin plus a soft and tender meat. Good job. Alright, so I want to jump now to our udon series. Now, again, they have three flavors. The first one is a 3 cheese carbonara. Meron din tayong creamy rose udon. And then the last one is the shrimp lo mein. Anyway, let's taste it. This dish right here is so creamy. Super creamy and seafood side yung flavor niya. Okay, let me jump to this carbonara. This is a 3 cheese carbonara. Check that out. Again, this is so cheesy and creamy. So you got your udon as the base pasta plus the cheese. Now on the top, meron tayong mga bits of mga meats. Next guys is I want to taste itong the shrimp lo mein. Now my impression with the shrimp lo mein, fairly different taste from the two other udon dishes. This one is really oriental. It is spicy. It has several spices inside it. I'm gonna go for this oriental taste. I think my taste bud is more longing for this oriental taste. Wow. Alright, so let us jump to the mga dishes pa na pinadala nila sa atin. They have two flavors. The first one is the cheesy California maki, and then the other one is the spicy tuna. I'm gonna go first with this one, the spicy tuna. So it comes along with the nori wrapper. This is the first bite. Let's taste it. Wow, this is so heavenly. It is so creamy, and the fact that it is spicy, I like it. Now, before we, conclude the video, I want to taste cheesy California Kani natin. Anyway, let's taste it. Alright, so my take, the cheesy California maki is a little bit gentle. It has a really fruity taste because of course, the mango. This is really great sharing with your kids. Anyway, so for more information about the dishes and their prices, we want to share the menu, and it's flashing on your screens right now. Anyway guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out MoChicks. There you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Stay safe and stay home. Bye. Peace.